Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of summarizing data. This is standard 3.8a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 31 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a pictograph here, shows the number of games each team in a volleyball league won during the season. So the Spikes have 4 volleyballs, the Aces have 3 volleyballs, the Stars have 5, the Nets have 2, and the Digs have 1. Which is funny, these are all volleyball terms here. And so here's the key. Right, this pictograph, we've started learning about pictographs all the way down in kindergarten, right? And in kindergarten, when we started, each picture represented one item. So if you wanted to represent 4 stars, you would draw 4 stars. But now that we're a little bit older, we always got to look for the key. And the key is right down here. And it says that each volleyball pictured here means 3 games won. So rather than making this a really big graph, what they did is a little substitution here. So we need to translate this into one of these tables. Okay? So if we miss this key, this whole thing is going to be wrong. Like, take a look at B right here, right? Look, there are 4 volleyballs and Spikes. There are 3 volleyballs and Aces, 5 volleyballs and Stars, 2 in Nets, and 1 in Digs. Probably, I'm going to guess that B is the most chosen incorrect answer because that does not take into account our key. Each of these volleyballs represents 3 games won. So let's just skip count by 3s. So you can either skip count by 3s or you can just go 3, 3, 3, 3 and then add them up. But since we learn our multiplication facts, we're pretty good at skip counting in 3rd grade. Let's skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Right, so this is 4 volleyballs. Each volleyball represents 3. So we've got 4 times 3 equals 12. This is for the Spikes. So let's take a look. Look, I've got my Spikes at 12. I've got my Spikes at 12. I don't know where this 4 Aces, 5. These are just all random. This is very much, look, this D right here is very much like B. They just flipped the 5 and 3, so it's just wrong. So I've already eliminated 2 answer selections. It's just between A and C. All right, so my Aces. We're going to skip count by 3s again. 3, 6, 9. And you notice I've already done that over here, so that's kind of nice. And let's just put this over here. This is 3 groups of 3. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So Aces should be 9. Oh, look at that. 15, 9. All right, so eliminated A, but let's just verify. Because if C is not all the way correct, I might have done something wrong. So we're going to skip a count by 3s again. 3, 6, 9, 12, which matches the Spikes column, but I've got 1 extra one, so that's going to be 15. All right, so this is 5 groups of 3. 5 times 3, that equals 15. Let's make sure our Stars is 15. Yes. All right, so we are good, we are good, we are good so far. And then the Nets and the Digs are pretty simple. Right, so Nets has just got 2 volleyballs, 3, 6. So this is 2 sets of 3. It's going to equal 6. My Nets, yep, they are 6. Excellent. And then let's just go ahead and complete it. Yes, it's just 1, and that's just 3. But you know what? We could still make a multiplication sentence here. Right, 1 times 3, that's 1 group of 3. Equal 3. And yes, our Digs have 3. So yeah, volleyball games won 12, 9, 15, 6, and 3. The answer is C.